In this video module, you will be instructed on how to digitally administer the Cornerstone task. Part 1. Creating your own digital copy of the Cornerstone task. In the first part of this video module, I will show you how to digitally administer the Cornerstone task using Google Classroom. If you're unfamiliar with Google Classroom or need more information on how to create a Google Classroom, you can reference the WCPS online training modules or contact Kevin Tressler prior to completing this video module. First, you'll want to open the Grade 10 Student Task Sheet in Google Docs from Module 3A, Political Behaviors and Influences. As a reminder, the Cornerstone Task Student Task Sheet is located as the first performance task under Stage 2 Evidence in the Module 3A UBD Overview. Once you've opened the Student Task Sheet, you will need to make your own copy of the document to share with students. To do this, you will choose the File tab from your toolbar. Click on Make a Copy. From here, you can choose to change the name of your document and save it to your drive. I'm just going to leave it as copy of for now for simplicity purposes and making sure it's going to be saved to my drive. So it tells me it's going to be called Copy of Grade 10 Student Task Sheet and it's going to be saved in my drive, and I click OK. Now you have created your own copy of the Cornerstone task. Part 2. Administering the Cornerstone task using Google Classroom. I'm now going to show you how to administer the Cornerstone task digitally using Google Classroom. There are many other digital platforms available to administer the task if you choose. However, we strongly encourage teachers to use Google Classroom. If you're using Google Classroom, you'll want to open it in a separate internet tab by going to classroom.google.com. I've already gotten that up on my screen. Once the classroom opens, you will choose the class you want. And then once you're in the classroom, you will choose the plus sign in the bottom right corner and choose Create Assignment. You will add a title for the assignment so students know what they are looking at, and then if you have any particular instructions. You may choose to add a due date to the topic. You should reference the teacher resource guide for suggestions on time frame, and some outside classwork may be necessary. Now you'll need to upload the Cornerstone task to the assignment from Google Drive. Click on the Google Drive triangle. Use the search box to find the Google Doc you created earlier. Just type in the title of the document and it should appear. In this case, I'm in the recent folder, so it comes up right away because it's the last thing I did. Click on it, click the Add button. Using the drop-down arrow next to the student task sheet, you can choose how your students can access the assignment. For our purposes, they can either view the file, edit the file, or have their own copy. In this case, we want to choose Make a Copy for each student. That way, every student that accesses this will be able to make changes to it on their own without it affecting any other student's work. Finally, choose who you want to send this assignment to. At the top of the assignment box, you will see the option to add this assignment to multiple classes or to certain students. This is a very helpful option if you are differentiating or using different versions of the Cornerstone task. You can choose which students to send each version to. Once you are finished modifying your assignment, click the Assign or Schedule for when you want the assignment to post. Students will now have their digital copy of the Cornerstone task. Part 3. Uploading the student assignments. Students can use this document to complete the task or create a new digital presentation of their choice. Once students are ready to turn in their final assignment, they will need to save the assignment to their WCPS Google Drive folder and then upload it to the Cornerstone task assignment on Google Classroom. If students are unfamiliar with uploading or submitting an assignment on Google Classroom, you can reference the WCPS online training modules or contact Kevin Tressler.